Hello, we are the Dräger X-plore full face masks. We protect your respiratory system and your eyes from various environmental influences. In the next 100 seconds, we will briefly explain you the most important things about us. Do you work in hazardous environments? With us, you can protect yourself safely and comfortably. For example, during welding, painting, and varnishing work, or other handling of hazardous substances. Our team consists of the Dräger X-plore 5500 and 6000 series. Our X-plore 5500 is equipped with bayonet connections and the 6000 series has a standardized RD40 connection. Special situations require special equipment. Our filter series is available with particle, gas or combination filters. You can also use us in combination with a powered air purifying respirator, whether in the chemical or automotive industry, in metal processing or in supply and disposal companies. Our filters protect you reliably. You can choose our mask material in either EPDM or silicone. The double sealing frame ensures a tight and secure fit on any face shape. Thanks to the 5-point harness, you can not only put us on quick and easy, it also ensures comfort. Due to an intelligent ventilation system, our lenses remain fog-free. Our distortion-free lens offers you a 180-degree wide field of vision. The basic version is made from PMMA, but we are also available with lenses made from impact-resistant polycarbonate or chemical-resistant triplex. Choose according to your requirements and working conditions. Pretty practical, aren't we? That's us, the Dräger X-plore full face mask, reliable and comfortable respiratory protection.